Assignment 2, walkthrough. The first question, A. Find the indefinite integral of this function y. And for B, you have to calculate the definite integral of the previous function of this one. Let's go and do every part step by step. We want to find the indefinite integral of this function. We can split this into different integrals. The integral of 4t squared dt plus the integral of 4 e to the power of 3t dt plus the integral of 1 over t dt plus the integral of 4 cos 3t dt. The constant can go outside the integral, so it's going to be 4 integral t squared dt plus 4 times the integral e to the power of 3t dt plus the integral of 1 over t dt plus 4 times the integral of cos 3t dt. It's going to be 4 times the integral of t squared is going to be t to the power of 3, power goes up by 1, over 3, plus 4 times the integral of the exponential is the exponential, and to balance the integral, because you have e to the power of 3t, you have to divide by 3. The integral of 1 over t is ln t, and then plus 4 times the integral of cos is going to be sine, and because there is 3 times t and not just plain t inside the function, to balance the integral we divide by 3. And so the final answer is going to be 4/3 t to the power of 3 plus 4/3 e to the power of 3t plus ln t plus 4/3 sine 3t. That's for part A. Now for second part, we want to compute the integral from 1 to 2, the definite integral of this function here, of the function y dt. We already have computed the indefinite one. What we have to do is to take this function and evaluate the whole thing, evaluate this function for t equals 2, and then minus evaluate the same function for t equals 1. That's gonna be 4/3 times 2 to the power of 3 plus 4/3 times e to the power of 3 times 2 plus ln 2 plus 4/3 sine 3 times 2 minus 4/3 times 1 to the power of 3 plus 4/3 e to the power of 3 times 1 plus ln 1 plus 4/3 sine to the power of 3 times 1. I repeat, we do the substitution, so we have 4/3 times 2 to the power of 3, which is going to be 8, plus 4/3 times e to the power of 3 times 2 is 6, plus ln 2 plus 4/3 sine 3 times 2 is going to be 6, minus, now remove the brackets, it's going to be 4/3 times 1 to the third power, which is 1, minus 4/3 e to the power of 3 plus ln1, so minus ln1, it's going to be a minus here, minus 4/3 sine 3. Now let's take that one and that one together, so it's going to be 32 over 3 minus 4 over 3, and then these terms plus 4/3, take common factor, e to the power of 6 minus e to the power of 3 plus ln2 minus ln1 plus 4/3 sine 6 minus sine 3. And that's gonna give 32 minus 4 is going to be 28. 28 over 3 plus 4/3 e to the power of 6 minus e to the power of 3 plus ln2. ln1 is going to be 0, so we don't have to write it, plus 4/3 sine 6 minus sine 3. And that's gonna be the final answer. You don't need to put the decimal here because these are this e is 2.71, is going to have a lot of infinite decimals, and ln2 is also 0.69 blah blah blah, so you just leave it this as a final answer. So this integral from 1 to 2 of y dt, you just write 28 over 3 plus 4/3 e6 minus e3 plus ln2 plus 4/3 sine 6 minus sine 3, and that's going to be your final answer. Don't try to put decimals and substitute because it's going to be a mess, okay?